Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Hank and today we are going to be talking about how to monitor your investment portfolio. Now you have gone and bought some investments on Investnow because they're the cheapest platform available, but you realize that the interface is complete rubbish. What do? What if I want to see the performance of individual funds? In this video, I'll be showing you the best tool for tracking your individual fund performance. If this type of content might be useful to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get it started.
The tool that I will be using is called Sharesight, and you can sign up for an account for free with them on their website. So you can import your trade through a broker, and Sharesight supports brokers such as Direct Broking, ANZ, ASB, Hatch, and many other international brokers. However, they do not support Investnow or Sharesight. But stick around and I'll show you a way to add bulk Investnow transactions without adding each individual transaction by itself. To manually add a trade, we go into here. Here I am going to look for the popular Vanguard Share Exclusion Index Fund. And I'm going to pick the unhedged version. And let's say I made a trade in April the 1st, 2019, and I bought a quantity of 1,000 units. The website will automatically come up with the share price on the day. So that's the share price on the day, and I just click OK. And it'll populate with the exchange rate at the time. And you can add a brokerage fee if you want. And that comes to a total, and then we go Save Trade. Now the trade will show up on the website, and you can see that your total return over that period of time is 6.2%. Another really good feature for the Sharesight website is the Share Checker. So a Share Checker can be used to track past performance of a particular asset. Now to make it easier to search, you have to select all markets to make it easier to find the fund that you want. I'm going to use the AMP NZ Shares Index as an example. So I can select that and it will show the performance over the past year. And I can also change it so that it shows the last 10 years or however long that the fund has existed for. So for this particular one, it has existed since December 2017, and its total return over the period of time has been 18% per annum. Sharesight also has an app that comes with it, and I will show you how the app works as well. This is the Sharesight app. As you can see, it's got a very simplistic feature, and you can go into My Portfolio. At the top, you'll see the total amount in your portfolio, along with your returns, including capital gains and income gain. Below is a list of your funds that you currently own. However, this app does not have charts or graphs for your funds. Let's look at how to add bulk transactions from Investnow into Sharesight. So in my Investnow tabs, I go to My Documents and then add a report to My Documents. Here I can select adding an investor report, and I want to pick for the last year. And let's say I made some transactions over the last year and I want to generate a report containing all the transactions. So I can pick the 1st of January, and then it'll create a report for the last year. The report is done now, so I can download it as a PDF file. Just go download. In the investment report document, scroll down until you reach the transactions page. And in this example, I'm going to use the SmartShare US 500 fund as my example. So there's two numbers that you want to pay attention to. One is the number of units that you have purchased. So in this situation, it's 806 units and the total price that you spent on them. So just add all of the values here together. And I added in earlier before, and it came to $5,937. And we want to bring these two values into the Sharesight website. Back in our Sharesight page, we want to add a new holding, and we want to select the SmartShare US 500 fund, and I made the transaction in January the 1st, and we want to select opening balance instead of making a trade. So the cost basis for my trades are 5937.8 at 806 units. So it'll show me the average cost per share. And the important thing here is to edit the unit per share price into the same number that we got here, which is 7.37. And that will give me the market value in terms of New Zealand dollars. And then we save the trade. So now the trade will show up in your inventory. Sharesight also has nice little features of creating reports on your taxable income and also your foreign investment fund. Now, if you want me to do a video on how to do your FIF taxes in the future, leave a comment down below.
In the next video, I'll be talking about some very exciting new features from Sharesight, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, check out my previous videos, and I will see you in the next one.